welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a quick length check for you guys, and also I will be applying the Chebe butter. I don't know if I pronounced it right, but Chebe butter to my hair. There's been a lot of people have been raving about this butter. A lot of people have been asking me questions about it, and it's usually I usually feel somehow when I get asked something and I have no clues. So I decided that okay, since it was quite available, or it was accessible, I decided to get my hands on it and then try it out for you guys, and give you back my review and just my thoughts on the Chebe butter. So the one I got is the one from Kinky Nigerian Calls. My lighting always gets in the way, but this is it. Kinky, oh my gosh, Kinky Nigerian Calls. She's on Instagram, and she says it's Chebe hair strengthening and retention butter with authentic Chebe butter, biotin, essential oils and nutrients to reduce shedding, stop breakage and thicken the hair. This is the first time I'm trying out Chebe butter. First time I'm seeing it. I don't even like before now I didn't know what it looked like. So this is what it looks like. It has like a very creamy consistency, like it feels like a very soft butter, and it has like some grains inside, which I believe is from the Chebe powder itself. So I will be using this on my hair for a month. I would use it on my hair for a month, and that's the reason why I am doing a length check now, so that after a month I will do another length check and then tell you guys, show you guys my progress, basically see if this butter actually helps with hair growth, because that's what I've been seeing. I've been seeing reviews, a lot of reviews. People are going crazy about it, like it helps grow their hair. So I want to try it out and then let you guys know how it goes. So I'm just going to show you guys, do a quick length check, and then show you guys how I'm going to be applying the butter and talk you guys through the process basically. So yes, let's do that length check. This is the first time I'm doing a length check actually, so show you guys how it goes. So I'm just going to take hair from the sides and then the front and the back of my hair. So this is my tape, and I'm just going to put that here when my hair starts, and yep, this is around 10 inches. I've not done this before, guys, so it's a bit strange. I don't even know if I'm doing it well, and my lighting is very it's getting in the way. Ouch. Stop, it's pulling out my hair. Let me reduce the lighting a little. Okay, I think this is good enough. So let's start from here. Stretch my hair. Okay, so this is about almost 10 inch, let's say 9.8 inch. Inches. So this is it. Like let's say 10 inch, because this is a 10 mark. So let's say 10 inch here. So it's 10 inch on this side. I'll take hair from the front. So let's swap with this. exactly where I put it. So my hair starts. So it's around 10.5. 10.5. Actually, it's safe to say it's 10.5 inch in front. Okay, so I'll do this other side and the back as well, just to be sure I get the right measurement all over my hair. Definitely it's shorter than, but no, it's around 10 inch in on this side too. So I'm just going to check the back. Let's take this. Back. My hair has really grown a lot past 6 months. Like, it's really amazing what protective styling can do for your hair, which is what has happened to my hair. Okay, so my hair is, I think it's shorter at the back. So this is about 9.8. About 9.8 on this side. And the hair is everywhere. Okay. I'm doing. This stuff keeps getting hot. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look, is about 9 inch here. So the back of my hair is shorter, so it's around 9 inch. Let's talk in 9 inch at the back of my hair. 9 inches, sorry, at the back of my hair. Then it's around 10, let's say 10 inches in front, just to be sure. Forgotten. Yeah, so it's about 10 inches at the side. Then I actually forgot. Let's do one last time just to be sure. So let's just say it's 9 inches at the back, then it's 10 inches at the side and in front. So just so that I don't get it all mixed up, I'm sure. So I'm sure now it's 9 at the back and 10 at the sides and in front. Then in a month I would come back and do another length check and see how my hair has grown in 1 month using the Chebe butter consistently. So according to the instructions here, how to use it says apply as a sealant after moisturizing your hair with water, or apply alone as a moisturizer. Do not rinse out, reapply every 3 to 5 days or use as needed. It works perfectly with our growth oil. And fortunately for me, I have the growth oil too, so I'll be using these 2 combos, but I won't be reapplying every 3 to 5 days. What I'm going to be doing is I would apply, twist my hair, then wash my hair every week, then reapply. So I'll hold it in my hair for a week, then wash my hair, then reapply it for another week. So in a month I would use this 4 times, and then I'll apply their growth oil, say every 3 days, see how it goes. So I would be moisturizing with water first. This is just water. Then use the Chebe butter as a sealant. And I saw it on her page that you're not supposed to let this come in contact with your scalp, as it can irritate your scalp, probably because of the grainy substance in it. So I'm not going to use this on my scalp, I'm just going to use this on my hair. Then use the growth oil on my scalp. So yeah, let's get to it because I've been talking a lot. So I'm just going to put my hair in chunky twist. So like, say something like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply water. Then just slightly stretch my hair out. Finger, detangle just a little. Then I'm going to, sorry, because I'm going to apply the Chebe butter. So let's say this much. I'm just going to apply that, starting from the root of my hair all through the length of my hair. I feel like I need a little more at the tip, so I'm just going to apply that like this. As you can see, I'm just working it through. I'm not going to let it come in contact. Oh, nice. It's even giving me definition already. Okay. I'm not going to let this come in contact with my roots, so it doesn't cause me any irritation or anything. So this is what my hair looks like. As you can see, it's starting to get defined. Then I'm just going to twist. Like, I've not used this butter before. This is my first time, so my first impression, it's thick. It's rather thick on my hair, and it's just, it has this funny feeling. I think probably just because of the grains in it. Feels like sand. So yes, I just put my hair in a twist. So this is what I'm going to do all over my hair. I'm just going to apply water, apply the butter, and then twist up my hair. But I won't, I'll definitely do the rest of my twist off camera, just because I don't want this video to be too long. If it's too long, you guys will not watch it. So I just wanted to come talk to you guys and talk to you guys about the steps and what's involved, and then just show you guys how I do it. Although when it's almost at the end, I would come back and show you guys what my twists look like. But this is just what I'm doing. Apply water, like just to dampen your hair a little, nothing too much. And then apply the butter. Through the length of your hair, avoiding your scalp. You're supposed to coat your hair with the butter. And then twist. So I would come back and show you guys, because I would do this off camera, then come back and show you guys what it looks like, and then apply the growth oil on my scalp, just to show you guys how I use the combo. So yes, this is what the twist looks like. It feels really soft. I think it feels really, really, really soft. So I think I have a very good feeling about this. I pray it works and I'm able to have a lot of length, because I need that length. I'm on a journey to waist length. So yeah, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Hey guys, so this is my twist. I have done the twist all over my hair. I put my hair in medium size twist, so this is what it looks like. I know I said I was going to come back and show you guys, you know, when I was rounding up, but it's been really hectic. Sorry, it's been really hectic here, and I didn't have time to come back and show you guys what it looked like. But like I already explained what I did in the first part of the video. I simply just sprayed water and just applied the Chebe butter to sealing my hair, and then put it in twist like this. And then after I installed the twist, then I applied the Herbal Miracle Growth Oil on my scalp. I simply just, you know, put it on my hand and just apply it to the lines of my, just applied it, you know, in between the lines. How is it? Like, I'm a little bit tired, and you know, it's night, and that's why the video is kind of dark. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And I have Chebe butter in my hair. I'm going to leave it on for a week before I wash it, and then reapply the Chebe butter and twist it up like this. So this is what I'll be doing for the next 1 month, and then after 1 month I'm going to come back and do another lens check and compare my growth and see how much length I've been able to grow in 1 month. And I'm just going to say this in passing, that I really love how this oil feels on my scalp. Like, it has this very tingly feeling. Like it just feels like it's doing a lot. Like, it feels really strong, and you know, you can just feel it on your scalp. Like, it's just doing this thing. So yeah, stay tuned for the video. I will let you guys know when it's up. It will be up in a month, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram at Afrolicious, so that you can keep up with my progress, because I'll be sharing a lot of progress as I go, what I notice, you know, because I'm not going to always have the time to come back and make YouTube videos every week. So but on my Instagram page, I'll be dropping updates and, you know, just random things about how I feel about this whole thing. So yeah, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my length check next month. And if you're not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I don't know what you're waiting for. Just hit the subscribe button and like my videos. Feel free to ask your questions, and I'll be here to answer all of them. So yeah, see you on my next video. Bye.